can never ever find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Just a buzz. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Pros wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. I ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging, we go one harder. I can see you now, where we gonna start, girl? I can never ever find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels
Is your dog protected? Let's find out. So, do you like dogs?
Absolutely, love dogs.
You like worms? Oh.
I got regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home.
All right, what's going on, guys? So it is Friday, welcome to Friday, and we are back onto the charts once again. So we're currently looking at the Nasdaq to take it short, and everything else looks like it moved a lot, to be honest, with all the GBP pairs today. So I'm not trying to look for anything on GBP related, just because I know that we've moved already on that. So. Yeah, not really looking at anything on JP pairs related because, at least at the moment right now, we're looking at Euro NZD. Just an idea, we have divergence right over here. Off the 800 EMA as well as the 200 EMA. So, it's making structure, making higher lows, higher lows. Um, Maybe we'll see a retest off a really significant higher low here, and then we're going to see, finally it, retest the level and then continue going up. But it's not the most high probable trade because look at the liquid 50, it's falling. So, it's just an idea. I know JPY, it's doing this thing. JPUSD, it's doing this thing. Nothing really significant that I want to look at the moment. Um, GN, same thing. But I am shorting Nasdaq right now. I got into a kind of a late entry, which is, for me, it's fine. Just because I wanted a little bit more in confirmation. But on the 1 minute, we can see that we made a higher low, divergence, higher low up here. Could have had our entry right over here. Stop at about maybe 10 pips, 10 points. And then we would have been up about 3R already. But I wasn't able to do that. I didn't even take this entry right over here, just because I wanted more confirmation, because we don't know about the confirmation. But I have a big stop, so it is what it is. I'll look for an additional entry for me to add in once I stay confident on it, because I am with I'm not in big size yet. We got some divergence here. To be honest, I wouldn't even try trading these, to be honest. I don't like how the RSI is rising on these pairs. EG was pretty, I guess it was normal. I could see it taking along off the 50 EMA. GA. I didn't see any candle formations on GA, any proper candle formations. Because this 2 candle formation was not off. Technically it was, but it's just really choppy for me to even say it was so close. So I wouldn't even want to trade that, in my opinion. That's not even a better trade than GCAD. We're about 30% in profit. All right. Alrighty. Kind of ranging right now. I'm expecting a breakout off this level. If you guys haven't checked my new video on stocks, check that out after the stream. Basically what I discussed in the video was, on the daily chart, a significant thing that's happened. So, man, I have so much drawings here. I'm gonna take my drawings off. But anyway, so yeah, it's bouncing off the 50 EMA. But when was the last time that it cleanly broke through the 21 EMA with big, strong bearish candles, guys? Where in the chart do you see that? Literally from the whole rise. Because I'm not seeing it at all. no clean structure toward like just breaking through the 21 EMA. Except, well, technically, the little gap below the 21 EMA, February. But look at that shift. That shift happened. When was the last time we had a downshift? I don't see any. What are we doing right now? We're having a downshift on that. That's a strong indication for me, in my opinion, that we could see a not automatically, yeah, we're going to be in the bear market or whatever. Obviously not. But it's a strong indication. It really is a strong indication that we can see, proper indication of like more bearish momentum toward the downside. Now the 50 EMA is still in the way, which is, that's a significant level for here in ASFX. We call that the bias dictator, where it's kind of our bias. If it breaks through the 50, we're looking for shorts. If it holds the 50, we're looking for longs, and etc. So I'm not like completely saying like I'm gonna short it, because like that's not how I work. But it's a strong indication. So ideally, I'm looking for shorts. And let's see if we may get stopped out into profit right now, because I locked my stop at 0.30%. Just because I could be wrong. It's better to be safe than sorry. If we break through this low right over here, somehow I didn't get stopped out. I thought I was gonna get stopped out for a second, but I didn't. That's funny. Nasdaq always plays with my feelings. Nasdaq, you silly goose. So trying to discuss on GA because of this candle formation. I mean, candle formation looks good. What I meant was the R side value. I mean, I would not grade anything. I haven't graded an A1 entry, an A setup literally since back in April. I think or back in March, to be honest. I haven't traded an A1 entry because it's just nothing looks really good to me. It's oversold from right over here from the previous day, but it's not oversold today. I just don't like how the RSI was rising, so that I would have not graded like an A setup. The RSI value was not in the correct order, where I would not have treated it as an A setup. So I wouldn't have like on an A setup. It's gonna have to be like really probable for me, you know, almost literally perfect, pitch perfect, textbook perfect for me to grade an A setup. That's because A setups are rare for me. Well, it should be rare for everyone. I usually like try trading it really high risk on an A setup. Oh, looks like it's trying to retrace. I may get stopped out. Nice. Bum, bum, bum. We could see a bounce off here then. If the momentum isn't kicking in, I would want to get out anyways. I'll see what it does off the 50 EMA. Maybe I can get a good risk reward on it. But I think I may get stopped out. It just doesn't. There's divergence right over here on the 1 minute. Done. Let's see what we do here. With you, I'm so in love with you. Well, well, well. We just got stopped out. Alright, alright, alright. So we can get a bit of risk reward, which is fine. I would want to get a bit of risk reward on it anyways. Maybe a high or low. High or low off the 50 EMA. Come on, baby, come on. Give me a tighter stop. I would love that. That'll be Good Friday. This guy's name is Lenny. Lenny's gonna make me good money today. So I got stopped out at break even, right over here. I'm just following my rules. I just want to see a better entry so I can get better risk reward. Imagine if I can get like 5, 6 points, better risk reward. I'm expecting trying. Let's see if we can see a retest here. I would expect to have a retest. So if we retest, I'll probably put my stop right over here, to be honest. Or should I put it right over here? Nah, I always put mine on the top. Oh, you don't put my stop at the bottom of the structure. I always put my stop at the top of that structure.
In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you?
Pretty slow, to be honest. Time is at 5. Oh, we still have time. It's 5:39. I'm probably gonna see a breakout then. I just want to see weakness on this thing again. Like momentum and weakness. But to be honest, I wouldn't mind, going up to 200 EMA for retest, even on Tiger stop. Let's go. I'm going to take a quick look at, we have right over here, what is it? GA reversing, EG probably, GCAD reversing, GU. I don't think I would want to trade any of these today. I don't like there's bullish divergence, so we could come higher today. And I don't like trading stuff like that. Nah, I mean S&P 500. Interesting. I'm a bit more bearish on it, so we'll see what we do today in the open. Your NZD, we basically retested and fell all the way down here. See what we do here. I like the adrenaline, the thing. Whenever you get into a trade, you're gonna always gonna have that feeling where you're like, oh, I can't wait for this trade to go my way or whatever. You get like in a matter of like a rush, like a big rush. At least I get a big rush. Like whenever I'm going to drill or whatever, I get into a big rush as well. Like whenever I'm training for military drill, I get like a big rush. Or whenever like I'm in the range or whatever, big rush. Whenever I'm in a trade, I get a big rush. It's kind of like addicting, because it's fun. I don't know why. It's kind of like maybe the little I guess gambler's mindset. To be honest, the rush makes me concentrate a bit more on my trade. See this candle? For me, when I see this candle, I see the next candle should end up bearish to me. With this momentum, like I said, literally right there. That candle right there, what is showing me like a breakout of the other candles, that's telling me that we're seeing momentum. And look at that breakout right there. It's literally like having my own edge whenever I've been trading, indices for over 3 years now. Where I could see the momentum kicking in. I could see the momentum coming in, the sellers coming in physically on those candles. And wow, what a trade. I have my lock stop at break even already. Yeah, what a trade. Look at that, guys. Literally, it's just anticipation of like the momentum that's coming into the markets, the liquidity that's coming into the markets. I've been trading for such a long time where I know literally on that next candle, that's why I took the EMAs out so I could better see the momentum coming in. That breakout. Bro, why didn't no one tell me? Guys, come on. Why did none of you guys tell me? Out of the 5 viewers that are watching me right now, why did none of you guys tell me that my mic was on echo? Come on, guys. I expected better from you. Thank you, you channel. I appreciate it, brother. God, literally, it took almost what, an hour and a half like an hour in, and someone actually noticed. Bro, thank you, Shano. I'm at lock stop or break even. I'm at about 0.5 R. Yeah, 0.50 R right now. What'd you intro on? Actually, I'm closing half right over here, and then I'll add in. There's bullish divergence on it, so I just closed half at 0.30% in profit. Whenever I saw this next candle, I knew it was gonna be a big momentum candle. That's why I closed out. That's fine. I'm able to add it into my position with my trade idea. But hey, 0.30% for the day. I'm chilling. We'll see what we do here. May need to, if it just goes down, then I may just add into the next higher low, the next structure built, which is fine for me. Made about 0.30%, which, to be honest, that's pretty good. Usually on my, yeah, brother, I wouldn't really try trading Nasdaq, and I would just try trading Forex, because I don't trade Nasdaq based on the ASFX systems too much. I trade Nasdaq based on my system, based on my edge. And so I would just recommend sticking to your own thing, because like it's kind of hard to find proper entries because of how the market is at the moment. Like the reason why I didn't put my stop at this level, and I could have literally gotten like the best risk to reward, maybe like I would have been up about 5R. The reason why I didn't do that is because the market is unpredictable right now. Now there's a probability, probably like maybe a 50%, no, maybe probably a 60% chance that I would have gone stopped out with this if I put my stop like that. So it's all about probabilities in my mind. So I just, I just couldn't try doing that. I would just try recommending, just looking at structure. But yeah, I don't want people to be losing money on Nasdaq or indices, because I haven't heard of anyone making profit, like good money in indices, just because it's a hard market, bro. Like it really is. And it's only like I've only been able to find consistency in these indices, because of because I've been trading indices for over 3 years, and I've had pretty big losses. Not gonna lie, I literally lost over $1,000 on one trade I remember on US 30. So I definitely have my fair share of losses. But it helps. Has helped me to give me like a better edge in the market, because I know exactly what I'm looking for. I know where the momentum is coming in. I know where the buyers and sellers are coming in. But I don't know if I could teach that, because it just comes with experience. It's something that I've it's like a third eye. I've with me trading the market for such a long time. I just gain experience, and that's a true word for everyone. Like for the profitable traders, what makes them different from everyone else is because of the experience. They've had so much experience in the market. They've had losses. They've been through market changes. They've been through market crashes or whatever. That's what truly makes them a good trader. That's what truly makes them a profitable trader in the long run, because they've had so much experiences with different market types. So they know in their head the different patterns that they see in the market. We'll see how this divergence kicks in. I'd like to see a retest off this level. Alright, Lenny. I think I'm gonna have to move you, buddy. Oops. Trying to fall lower today. I want it to fall lower. I want stocks to fall because I want to be in the next bear market. That'll be awesome. I called it, next bear market. But we'll see what we do here. I have my lock stop at break even right about over here. What time is it? It's 5:56, so we literally have so much time. I don't know, guys. I think we're gonna close below the 50 today, and we're gonna be bearish today. I think we're gonna have a red day in stocks, which kind of sucks for me because I have some stuff. I have some stocks that I trade. Some stocks that I invest in. Kind of silly how I'm so bearish on stocks, yet I have my portfolio has stocks in them. It's kind of stupid. I should have just probably diversified a little bit more. Oh well. There's a part of me that's saying maybe I hope I'm wrong, so I don't lose money on my other portfolio. Yeah, I know. I think we will too, which is quite unfortunate for the people who invest so much money into them, into stocks. But I think with the coronavirus vaccine, there's I guess there's a sickness involved with one of the corona vaccines testing, and so that definitely affected stocks in a negative way whenever we saw that drop. We also have, again, the second wave coming in with fall, with people going to school. So we definitely have a lot of issues right now with the second wave coming in. It's quite unfortunate, to be honest, but it is what it is, you know? You gotta do what you gotta do. And Plus, right now, stocks, people should know that they need to be careful whenever they're trading stocks. Literally, like, we are literally in a bubble right now. Stock bubble. All these stocks are overvalued. Literally, farly overvalued. So, I think it's a matter of time before we see something. Alright. Cool beans. Cool beans. Retest of the 21 EMA. Liquid 50. We have to break off that divergence zone. Liquid 50 is rising, but it hasn't been in the buy zone yet. Let's retest off the 21 EMA. RSI value is trying to go bearish right now. That wick is telling me that, you know, it's bouncing off that level. See what we do here. Let's see what we do here. Looks like we're breaking off these highs, these highs right over here. We just broke through that zone that I had marked up. Oh, we'll pull. Now it's time to pull on the EMAs right now. Actually, this zone is still valid. It didn't close above the zone, so it's still valid. It's off the 21 EMA now. Very interesting. Very interesting. So it's still valid. We'll see what we do here. What time is it? 6:07. So we still have time with the market open. Or expect it to start, getting some more volatility. But we'll see. All I want is for the market to crash. I've been trying to short this thing literally since the beginning of the year. And finally I'm able to do it. Probably today, maybe today, we'll see. This could be the real first confirmation of a bear market. Come on, give me some momentum. Let's see if we can see more push. Give me some more push, come on. I want us to break through that low. If we break through that low, then I'm bearish. It's bearish, it's Hong Kong, it's gonna go parabolic. I'm kidding, but I really think that if we break through this low and continue going down, I think it may be in the start of that we could be, retesting the lows on the higher time frames and continue going down. But I'm seeing buyers right now trying to take control. Yep, buyers are in control. We may get stopped out right over here, which is fine. Oh, are we gonna close above the zone? Yeah, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Oh, 2 seconds. Yeah, we did. All right. And ladies and gentlemen, we may get stopped out right over here. It's probably pushing up the liquid 50 up to the buy zone. We'll see what we do here. Yeah, I don't like that. I want a clean momentum. We're not seeing that clean momentum, which tells me that there's indecision, which tells me that we may not go lower today. We'll see. Looks like I just got stopped out. Well, let's see what we do here. Yep, got stopped out. 0.30% profit is pretty good. It's only like about 0.20% away from 0.50. Pretty good. I'll take it. I'll take it for a Friday. Let's see what we do here. I'm not gonna give up on that idea. Make a quick Instagram story. All right, hey guys, what's going on? So today in the live stream, we took short on Nasdaq. You know, overall the short bias on my video. If you guys haven't watched that yet, and so I was looking for, I took it right over here, looking for indecision, and then so stop was right over here in this from this previous higher lower high, and basically went all the way up to 0.60 R. I saw bullish divergence form right over here, and then I was like, okay, so I'm gonna take almost half of my position out, and that's what I did. So I got stopped on to profit right over here, so made about 0.30% in this trade, which to be honest, it's quite good. Usually on my Nasdaq trades that I've been getting, it was 0.50 to 1 R to 1% on it. So being about 0.20% away from 0.50, I think that's a really good really good trade, just based on a Friday. So yeah. So look at JP pairs. I wouldn't really want to trade anything today because of divergence, which is right over here. Yeah, I don't like trading into divergence at all. And there's not enough risk reward. Try trading it. GN is a bit better. GCAD, no. Just that divergence. EG. I think EG may continue going up. I like EG a bit better off the 50 EMA. As you can see here, there's divergence, price action. Yeah, not that good risk reward. But maybe D1 off EG. I like that better more than anything else right now. GA, a short bias off the 50. Maybe there's, it's oversold, it's divergent. Not that best of a trade. GF, nothing good here. Euro NZD, my idea did not turn out really good on that. To be honest, I think EG will be the next idea. Take it above today. But not that clean today, and as well as I don't think it's going to make proper structure. I think it's just going to break off the 50. All right, so I'm in right now. Um, I'm gonna lock my stop at break even right now, just because bullish divergence right there. So I'll just lock my stop at break even to be safe. All right, so I have my lock stop at break even. Let's see if we break through this divergence zone. If we do, we're looking good here. See if we close below this. We have 30 seconds to see if we close below the zone. It's a strong indication. 28, 27. We're gonna break through the zone. This bullish divergence zone. Let's see. 21 seconds. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Come on, sellers. There we go. Just got in. I just added in a little bit more on that position. Nice, 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 nice. That was a big push down. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my market order. Dang it. That's quite unfortunate. We just broke through that divergence zone, so looking good here. see what we do here. Look at NQ. What are we doing NQ today? Same thing. We want to try to get down here on NQ off the 50 EMA on Nasdaq futures. There we go, guys. You're finally freaking pushing down. Finally, come on, folks. Let's get some momentum down to the downside. Let's go. I'm gonna close about. Finally, we're pushing some momentum. It's off the 15-minute right now. Let's go. Come on, Nasdaq. Push all the way down, brother. Come on. Give me some big momentum stuff. I believe in you. We close above that zone, which is quite unfortunate. Come on, guys. Comment below if you guys think you believe in this trade idea. If you guys believe in the Nasdaq trying to go short ice on it. Oh, don't do this to me with that bullish divergence zone. Don't do this to me. Bullish divergence zone, don't do this to me. Come on, bro. It's gonna be quite unfortunate if it closes. If it struggles to close below that. Yeah, it looks like it is trying to struggle. It's quite unfortunate. Well, we got stopped out. Yeah, it's choppy. I think with this bullish divergence, we're gonna see it trying to struggle below that. Especially when there's bullish divergence off the 50 EMA. And, you know, the liquid 50 is up in the buy zone. I tell you, that's telling you that, you know, price action wants to go up. So, I'm out. Yeah. Maybe if I want to take it long again. I don't know. I'm so bearish on it, to be honest, but I know there's bullish divergence off the 50 EMA. I mean, off right over here, so we know what that means. And here in ASFX, we know exactly what a divergence means off close off the 50 EMA. Looks like it's pushing down again. Yeah, we'll see what we do here. I think we're gonna see. I'm so bearish on it, so I'm gonna keep an eye on it. And Remembrance Day for 9/11. Never forgotten. For all the people who served out there in Afghanistan and in the army. Not the best trade. We'll see though. A lot of indecision, which is something I don't want to see. Let's do one off the 50 EMA. Well, I mean, not technically off, but I call it off the 50 EMA. It's off this previous low, too. Yeah, I'm so bearish on it, to be honest. I don't care if there's divergence off the 50. I'm so bearish on it. So I'll keep an eye on it. I'll see what I can do. But to be honest, I'm still bearish on it. So I don't know. I know we're not seeing clean momentum off it, but there's no significant level here. I mean, we are coming off this level, but there's no significant level here. I think we're just gonna retest, continue going lower because it's off the 200 EMA on the 50-minute. It's making lower highs right over here, so I like it. I'm gonna still keep my bias on it. But I think today that's gonna be pretty much it for today's stream, guys. It's 6:45. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. Made some money on it today. Not a lot, but made some money. So I mean, technically it is a lot for me. So I mean, I'm just consistent with it. I managed it really well. This easily could have been a red day or a break-even day if I hadn't really managed it really well. I executed it. I managed it really well. Locked my stop. Took partial profits. So that's all. It's literally what all it is. Just being a really good risk manager, really good risk manager, and as well as capitalizing on the profits that you make. So that's basically what I did today on stocks. But yeah, hopefully you guys have a good freaking Monday. If you have any questions or anything not Monday, Friday. But if you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know. And yeah, hopefully you guys have a freaking awesome freaking Friday. Let me know how I can help you guys out, and I'll see you guys 5 a.m. on Monday, CST. We're back on the streams, as well as, if you guys don't know, if you guys aren't in ASFX webinar that's happening on 19th, which is next Saturday. It's going to be a really awesome opportunity for you guys to jump in and see, what is the difference between Forex, crypto, and stocks, and what is the best way to, profitably trade in the market. So hopefully, direct message me if you guys are interested in Instagram. And I'll see you guys 5 a.m. CST tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but on Monday.